Good morning, sir. Good morning. Are you CJ for the interview? Yes, yes. Resume? Here, sir. I have a 1 in English, 1 in math, 1 in physical education, 1 in English literature. I have 1 in all sciences and 1 in all business subject. Wow, wow. Somebody like you we need in our establishment. You see, I'm bright, sir. So, me hired? Just one question me have for you. What that, sir? You have links? What, sir? Links, you have links? Links? I'm forget links from? You have enough experience in the area, sir. Well, guess we no need her here then. What? Sorry, if you don't have links, you get knocked. Good morning, sir. How you doing today? I'm fine. Resume? Oh, yes, sir. What happened, sir? Look like you only have 1 subject. Oh, yes, sir. 5 in maths, 2 in English, and 5 in everything else. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, Mr. Jamie Holness. Wait, are you and Mr. Holness related? Yes, sir. It's my father. Wow, you're hired. Really, sir? Yes, we would love to work with you. Thank you, thank you. How him hired and me not get hired? Man got 1 subject and me have about 10. And Mr. Holness' son, links.